Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be looking at how to create a virtual environment using anaconda. So here we can see that we are on base. So let's say we want to create an environment for a new project. So if we use this command conda create /name, then this is your environment name. Let's say I put demo, and then followed by, this is optional argument if you want to put the Python version, but if you don't want to put Python version, you can just enter as it is. So let's say I'm using Python 3.9. Python equals to 3.9. So now it's creating the environment. Let's wait. Okay, proceed. Okay, now so it has created the environment. Let's activate the environment. So we can use this command conda activate demo. Okay, so now we are in the demo virtual environment. So let's check the Python version. So since we indicated Python 3.9, it has created the environment with Python 3.9. Okay, so now let's say you want to delete this environment. So we can use conda, sorry, we have to go back to base first. So conda activate base. Okay, so now we are back to the base environment. So let's delete the demo virtual environment. So conda remove. So we use our virtual environment name demo, and then we also have to add all, so that you can delete all the contents in the virtual environment along with the virtual environment. So enter, proceed. Okay, so it is done. Thank you. Please subscribe.